3/18, 2026, right at 7:40 p.m. And what a feeling to be an aquarium. Way up here. Yes, look at that sunset. Wow. Nothing like this for an airhead, right? Yeah. Oh, wow. It's an amazing feeling being an Aquarius, an airhead, and getting this. And the perspective, wow, right? And there's Jose, big kid that he is, all of 13. That's going on. 61, he's 61 now. And we both got new eyes, and I just turned 63, so collectively we're 124 total. I am so grateful and appreciative to have the privilege. And I want to thank everybody who listened. I'm with you in spirit. Separate love. Blessings. I think of all of you. I wish I was a billionaire. I could help so many of you. Hey, you never know. Golden age is here, and Aquariuses are in demand. So you never know where I'll land. I love you.